my name's Becca and I'm a chef here at the Waitrose and Partners Cookery School. And today I'm going to show you how to dice an onion. Now I know everyone's cut onions before, they're the base of pretty much every recipe, but I'm just going to show you the way that I think is best. What I like to do with my onions is chop straight from the top all the way through the root in half, and then you come out with two halves and two really nice flat surfaces. I also think this is the easiest way to actually peel the onion. So you might only be using half the onion for your recipe, which is perfectly fine. You can cover the other half just in some Tupperware or cover it in some cling film and keep it in the fridge for 3 days. So we really want to keep the root end of the onion on, but we're okay to slice the top end off. To start with, we're going to slice the onion all the way through, but not through the root. You need to anchor the onion down to the chopping board, but keeping your fingertips up and well out of the way of the knife. And then you can hold onto your knife and slice through the onion. So we're going to do that twice, and now we've got 3 sections of onion really, but they're all held together through the root. We're going to turn it so the root is facing away from us. We call this here a chef's claw. And what you want to do is rest your fingertips on top of the onion, and your middle knuckle, that's going to be the guide for your knife. So using that technique, rest your knife against your knuckle and you can slice down through the onion. If you get stuck, once you get to the end of the onion, you can just turn it round and then slice through this way. Turn the onion and then get your chef's claw back out again. You can push down and you'll see all the pieces of onion that fall away are diced from our previous slices. And now just repeat the process with the other half of the onion. Once you've diced your onions, you can put it in a Tupperware and freeze it for up to 3 months. So that's my technique for dicing onion. Just takes a couple of practices and then you guys will also be dicing onions like a pro.